Hi, I'm Neil from Charles Hurst Ferrari, and today I want to introduce you to our Ferrari approved GTC4 Lusso. This car is finished in blue electrical. Fitted to this car are 20-inch diamond cut alloy wheels with yellow brake calipers. This car is fitted with numerous carbon fiber elements on the exterior, such as this carbon fiber rear spoiler, coming along down to the side sills, on around the wing, which has carbon fiber louvers, and then you'll also see at the front the carbon fiber lower splitter. On both wings, we have these Ferrari Scuderia shields. This car is fitted with an array of assistance systems, from the surround view camera, two which are housed on the wing mirrors, one at the front, then at the rear, and also front and rear suspension lift, allowing the front or the rear of the car to lift over speed bumps. To contrast with the blue electrical paintwork, you have this stunning panoramic sunroof. At the rear of the car, you have these quad design taillights and exhausts. This helps emphasize the width and the aggressiveness of the rear of the car. This car is also fitted with a sports exhaust system. Also at the front of this car, we have the adaptive headlight system. Now, having had a look at the exterior of the car, let's jump inside. The first thing you notice when you open the door is the carbon fiber kicksill and the charcoal full leather interior. These seats are fully adjustable down on the right hand side for the driver. Looking straight ahead, you have this lovely carbon fiber steering wheel with the shift lights just at the top. Looking straight ahead, you have the lovely yellow tachometer, which really ties in nicely with the Ferrari badge at the center of the steering wheel. You can also see a lot of the carbon fiber elements, such as in the driver's zone, right and left of the steering wheel, and also on the center here with the bridge. Coming across the dash, you'll also see more carbon fiber elements, following down to the passenger display on the left-hand side. Part of the reason why this car is called the GTC4 Lusso is because of the 4 seats, 2 in the front and also 2 in the back. You can also see from the inside how nice the panoramic sunroof is, giving you a real sense of open air driving. As mentioned, this car is finished with the charcoal interior and a contrasting stitch along the doors, dash, and also on the seats. You will also see on the seat that you have your Cavallino embossed in the headrest. The rear seats in this car are fairly spacious, which I'm just going to show you right now. So we pull on the lever, the seat will electrically move forwards, and then it's just a case of stepping in and sitting myself comfortably into the back of the car. And then whenever you're ready, you can pull the lever and the seat will move back, giving you plenty of room in the rear to enjoy one of those longer drives. The design of the rear mimics the front, with your 2 central air vents, armrest, which also gives some storage facility, with 2 USB charging ports. How good does that roof look from in here? If you'd like any more information on our Ferrari approved GTC4 Lusso, please contact the team here at Charles Hurst Ferrari.